Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle earbuds on Amazon. We've spent countless years riding motorcycles, decades behind the bars. And through some of that, we've used earbuds to listen to music and get phone notifications. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Skullcandy Sesh Evo True Wireless Earbuds. The Skullcandy Sesh Evo True Wireless In-Ear Earbuds are another good wireless option. What sets them apart is the 24-hour battery life and rapid charging ability. They automatically pair when you turn them on and instantly pair with the last device you used. You can also adjust the volume, change tracks, answer the phone, use a voice assistant, or change EC modes on the earbuds. They're resistant to dust, sweat, and water, and you can use each of the buds independently. If you lose them, you can use the built-in tile technology to find them. Users report that they stay put in your ears, charge quickly, and have a good range for a Bluetooth product. Unfortunately, the charging case is a little bulky, and the earbuds don't charge well if you don't keep the case in an upright position. Number 2. Klim Fusion Earbuds. Wired earbuds experience less frequent interruptions when you are running or riding at high speeds. This is why we included the Klim Fusion, which will improve your audio experience as you ride. The ear tips are designed with memory foam, which admittedly doesn't offer a secure fit like rubber tips, but is comfortable and also retains the shape of your ears for the best fit. You also get 3 extra pairs of ear tips of different sizes for a more customized fit. They connect to any device with a 3.5mm, 0.14-inch jack pin port, and the jack pin is reinforced with soft rubber rings that can hold up to the strain of your daily commutes. Also, it has a microphone way down at the junction of the earbud wires, which you can use to answer phone calls. Number 3. Anker Soundcar Liberty Neo Wireless Earbuds. The best earbuds let you forget that you are holding a massive weight in your ears, which can make listening to music for long hours quite uncomfortable. This is why the Anker Soundcar wireless earbuds top our list with their lightweight build that's slightly under 0.2 ounces. As for the listening experience, they're designed with BASUP technology, which boosts the bass by 43%, while at the same time giving you accurate frequency response across all frequency ranges. Soundcar's GripFit technology enables the earbuds to be a secure, comfortable, and fatigue-free fit. You simply slide them in and twist to lock. With SweatGuard protection, the earbuds resist sweat, rain, and humidity, which could potentially damage the internal components. Number 4. Aventree Apico Mini Bluetooth Earbud. These earbuds are mainly for listening to music at home or on the go. The device is small enough to fit in your ear without being noticeable by others and is ergonomically designed to fit the shape of your ear canal without sticking out. The earbuds are compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices, and the device indicates whether it's on or off and connected to your device. What sets this product apart from its competitors is its low price. The earbuds are also very tiny and low profile, and the sound quality is above average. They are easy to set up and use, and even if you have a big head, they fit snugly inside your ears under the helmet where they take up hardly any room. You can hear clearly at highway speeds, and they seamlessly play music and deliver GPS directions. Number 5. Cena 50s Harman Kardon. The Cena 50s Harman Kardon is the model to get if you want to ensure you're riding within the limits of the law, regardless of what state lines you cross. The 50s uses mesh technology, which allows you to communicate with riders up to 5 miles away, as long as the system can piggyback off another mesh-enabled headset every 1.1 miles. The most notable upgrade compared to the previous iteration is the speaker system and microphone, which were created in conjunction with Harman Kardon. The 50s uses Bluetooth v5.0, which provides a stable connection to phones and GPS units. When using Bluetooth to communicate, you'll have 13 to 14 hours of talk time, but this falls to around 9 hours when using mesh technology. If you charge this model for 20 minutes using the USB-C fast charger, you'll add 6 hours of Bluetooth talk time or 3.5 hours of mesh talk time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.